Our first phase is to gather as many large fallen branches from the forest floor as we can.
Throw them all in, and when we have them all in, we'll layer them all up.
Sorry, Mama.
Then we place them on top of the tarp, creating a strong outer shell for the hut.
Sit, lads.
I'm all ready.
Try and get them really neat, okay?
Now it's starting to look more like a hut than a tent. And it's nice, comfortable, but cold.
The guys are going to put a good layer of moss over this because this isn't going to hold very good. But the moss, not only is it going to keep everything stable, keep it all sturdy down, but it's going to trap all that extra heat, keep it inside, keep the lads nice and warm through the night, and a good night's sleep is worth its weight in gold.
Midge is really bad. I just found a group of them on my hands, all over my hands. Yay, there's no midges.
With camp ready and hopefully midge-proof, it's time to have one last go at catching our dinner.
Anything moving? Oh, I think you got a stick. You got a full tree. No luck. Well, you got a fine weed there.
No.
Will we keep that one for the breakfast? That's the thing about here, it's a real hit and miss. You know? Whoa, lift it up. Fishy, fishy, fishy.
I caught one.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Fishy. I caught one.
Yummy, yummy, up. Oh. All right.